Imagine having the power to naturally cleanse your kidneys, the body's vital filtration system, by simply adding a few delicious fruits to your daily routine. Picture your kidneys working more efficiently, flushing out toxins, and keeping you healthier, all thanks to the nutrients packed into these fruits. It's like giving your body a refreshing reset, allowing it to function at its best. These fruits aren't just tasty treats, they're nature's way of helping your kidneys to stay in top shape. Whether you've been feeling a bit sluggish or you're just looking to maintain your health, knowing which fruits to incorporate into your diet could be a game changer. By the time you're done reading, you'll have the knowledge to make simple yet powerful changes that can lead to better kidney health and overall well-being. Kidneys are like the unsung heroes of our body, working tirelessly day in and day out to filter waste and toxins from our blood. They play a crucial role in regulating fluid balance, electrolytes, and blood pressure, all while ensuring that our body remains in a state of optimal health. Yet, despite their importance, our kidneys often go unnoticed until something goes wrong. Common kidney problems, such as kidney stones, infections, or even chronic kidney disease, can silently develop over time, often due to poor diet, dehydration, or a lack of essential nutrients. But here's the good news. What you eat can have a profound impact on your kidney health. By incorporating specific fruits into your diet, you can give your kidneys the support they need to function more efficiently. These fruits not only provide hydration and essential vitamins, but also contain natural compounds that help cleanse and protect your kidneys from potential harm. Let's dive into these kidney-friendly fruits and discover how they can become an integral part of your journey to better health. Cranberries, though small in size, are a powerhouse when it comes to supporting kidney health. These vibrant red berries have long been celebrated for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can be a significant concern for kidney function. The magic of cranberries lies in their unique compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This not only reduces the risk of infections, but also helps in maintaining a cleaner, healthier urinary system, ultimately benefiting the kidneys. In addition to their infection-fighting properties, cranberries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage kidney tissues over time. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is easy and versatile. You can enjoy them as a refreshing juice. Just be sure to choose one without added sugars. Sprinkle dried cranberries over salads or yogurt, or simply snack on fresh cranberries when they're in season. By making cranberries a regular part of your diet, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're actively supporting your kidneys' health and longevity. Blueberries are often hailed as one of nature's superfoods, and when it comes to kidney health, they truly live up to the hype. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and play a vital role in supporting overall kidney function. Antioxidants are crucial for reducing inflammation and protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress, a process that can lead to cell damage and impaired kidney function over time. What makes blueberries even more special is their ability to aid in detoxification. They help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can otherwise accumulate and lead to chronic conditions, including kidney disease. Adding blueberries to your diet is not only beneficial for your kidneys, but also a delightful way to boost your health. Whether you toss them into a morning smoothie, sprinkle them over your oatmeal, or enjoy them as a simple, nutritious snack, blueberries are an easy and delicious way to give your kidneys the care they deserve. By regularly incorporating these antioxidant-rich berries into your meals, you're making a powerful investment in your kidney health and overall well-being. Watermelon is not just a summer favorite, it's also a powerful ally in maintaining kidney health. This juicy, refreshing fruit is composed of over 90% water, making it an excellent natural hydrator. Proper hydration is essential for the kidneys, as it helps them flush out toxins and waste products more efficiently. But watermelon offers more than just hydration. It acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it increases urine production without putting extra strain on the kidneys. This diuretic effect helps cleanse the kidneys by promoting the removal of toxins and reducing the risk of kidney stones by preventing the buildup of minerals that can form stones. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene. an antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, protecting them from damage. Its high potassium content further supports kidney health by balancing sodium levels in the body, which is crucial for those at risk of kidney issues. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is as simple as it is satisfying. You can enjoy it sliced as a refreshing snack, blend it into a hydrating smoothie, or even use it in salads for a sweet and savory twist. By making watermelon a regular part of your diet, you're not only indulging in a delicious fruit, but also taking a proactive step towards keeping your kidneys clean and healthy. Lemon, with its vibrant flavor and refreshing scent, is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful fruit for promoting kidney health, particularly in the prevention of kidney stones. Lemons are packed with citric acid, a compound that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing the levels of citrate in your urine. Citrate binds to calcium, one of the main components of kidney stones, making it less likely to form solid crystals that can develop into stones. This makes lemon a natural and effective remedy for those prone to kidney stones or looking to prevent them. Beyond its stone-preventing properties, lemon also supports the kidneys by promoting hydration and helping to flush out toxins. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water not only wakes up your metabolism, but also kickstarts the kidneys, encouraging them to perform their vital detoxifying functions. The alkalizing effect of lemon juice, despite its acidic taste, helps balance the body's fat levels, further supporting overall kidney health. Incorporating lemon into your diet is easy and versatile. You can squeeze fresh lemon juice into your water, drizzle it over salads, or use it to add a zesty flavor to your favorite dishes. By making lemon a regular part of your routine, you're not only adding a burst of flavor to your meals, but also providing your kidneys with the support they need to stay healthy and functional. Apples are often said to keep the doctor away, and when it comes to kidney health, this age-old saying holds a lot of truth. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body and supporting kidney function. Pectin binds to toxins and waste products in the intestines, helping to remove them from the body before they can reach the kidneys. This process reduces the burden on the kidneys, allowing them to work more efficiently. Moreover, apples are loaded with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, protecting them from damage over time. These antioxidants also play a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which is essential for kidney health, as high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease. One of the great things about apples is their versatility. You can enjoy them in countless ways: eat them fresh as a convenient snack, slice them into salads, bake them for a warm and comforting dessert, or even add them to your smoothies. The variety of flavors and textures available, from crisp and tart Granny Smiths to sweet and juicy Fuges, means there's an apple to suit every taste. Incorporating apples into your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys and overall health. By enjoying this nutritious fruit regularly, you're not only treating yourself to something delicious, but also giving your kidneys the care and protection they need to thrive. As we've explored, each of these fruits, cranberries, blueberries, watermelon, lemon, and apples, bring something unique to the table in supporting kidney health. Cranberries help prevent infections that can harm the kidneys, blueberries fight inflammation and oxidative stress, watermelon hydrates and cleanses, lemon prevents kidney stones, and apples aid in detoxification and reducing the burden on your kidneys. By incorporating these fruits into your daily routine, you're providing your body with a natural and effective way to support kidney function, cleanse your system, and prevent potential issues from developing. But remember, while these fruits are powerful allies, maintaining overall kidney health also involves making other healthy lifestyle choices. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water, reducing your sodium intake, avoiding excessive protein consumption, and limiting processed foods are all critical steps in keeping your kidneys in top shape. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight also contribute to better kidney health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is an easy and delicious way to take care of your kidneys, but it's part of a bigger picture. By making these small yet impactful changes, you can protect your kidneys, improve your overall health, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're taking proactive steps to keep your body functioning at its best. So why not start today? Grab a handful of blueberries, squeeze some lemon into your water, or slice up an apple. Your kidneys will thank you. Taking care of your kidneys isn't just about adding the right fruits to your diet. It's about adopting a holistic approach to health that supports your kidneys from all angles. Beyond the power of these fruits, there are several additional steps you can take to maintain and enhance your kidney health. First and foremost, staying properly hydrated is key. Drinking enough water each day helps your kidneys flush out toxins and prevents the formation of kidney stones. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Reducing your sodium intake is another important step. High levels of sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Be mindful of the salt content in processed foods, and try to flavor your meals with herbs and spices instead of reaching for the salt shaker. Avoiding excessive protein consumption, especially from animal sources, can also help reduce the strain on your kidneys. While protein is essential for overall health, too much can increase the workload on your kidneys as they work to process waste products from protein metabolism. Consider incorporating more plant-based protein sources, like beans and legumes, into your diet. Processed foods often contain additives and preservatives that can be hard on the kidneys. Whenever possible, opt for fresh, whole foods to give your kidneys a break from processing these potentially harmful substances. Regular exercise is another cornerstone of kidney health. It helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces blood pressure, and improves overall circulation, all of which are beneficial for your kidneys. Lastly, maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are all important in protecting your kidneys from unnecessary stress and damage. By incorporating these additional tips into your lifestyle, alongside the kidney-friendly fruits we've discussed, you'll be giving your kidneys the comprehensive care they need to function optimally. It's about making small, consistent choices that add up to big benefits for your health. So as you enjoy these delicious fruits, remember to keep the bigger picture in mind and continue nurturing your kidneys with a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Taking all of this into account, it's clear that your kidneys work tirelessly to keep your body functioning smoothly, and they deserve a little extra care. By integrating these powerful fruits, cranberries, blueberries, watermelon, lemon, and apples, into your daily routine, you're not only enjoying delicious and nutritious snacks, but also actively supporting your kidney health. Each fruit offers unique benefits, from preventing infections and reducing inflammation to promoting hydration and preventing kidney stones. But the journey to better kidney health doesn't stop with just adding these fruits to your diet. It's about making a commitment to a healthier lifestyle overall, one that includes proper hydration, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and mindful choices that protect your kidneys from potential harm. Remember, the small steps you take today can have a big impact on your health tomorrow. So start incorporating these kidney-friendly fruits into your meals. Stay hydrated, reduce your sodium intake, and make other kidney-conscious decisions. Your kidneys will thank you for it, and you'll be taking a proactive step towards a healthier, happier life. As you move forward, think of your kidneys as your body's natural filters, working every day to keep you clean and healthy. By giving them the support they need through these fruits and healthy habits, you're investing in your long-term well-being. So go ahead, make these changes, enjoy these fruits, and give your kidneys the love and care they deserve.